Sir, how can we use let's topic in English spoken?
Let's topic.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, today Aves Kumar Goswami is asking that how can we use let's topic in spoken English. Guys, it's a crucial, universal, evergreen topic which we use in our practical life every day. And guys, I can acclaim that if we don't use let's topic in spoken English, it's mean our English is incomplete. Believe me. This is my favorite topic. Why? Because during the class, I always use this topic. I always say, let's do. I always use let's as a subject in every sentence. Almost it covers 90% sentence. Believe me. So that's why I'm saying it's a very fantastic topic for you. And I think you should also use this topic in your practical life. So guys, today we are going to learn about let's. Let's mean चलो ये करते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं, चलो ये वो करते हैं, चलो खाना खाते हैं, चलो सोते हैं, चलो पीते हैं, चलो मूवी देखते हैं, चलो स्टडी करते हैं, चलो कुछ सोचते हैं, हम ऐसे बोलते हैं. We talk like that. Is that clear? So how can we convert these sentence into English? I will teach you today. Okay. So guys, first of all, I write here some sentence like that. चलो कुछ सीखते हैं, कुछ सीखते हैं. चलो, चलो means let's. Okay. सीखते हैं, it's mean MB's first form. कुछ means RC. Okay. So guys, our pattern is that first of all we have to use let's, then MB's first form, and then RC. Okay. So guys, sentence is that चलो कुछ सीखते हैं. It's mean at the first we have to use let's. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let's. Then we have to use MB's first form. It's means सीखना. सीखना means learn. So I will use here learn. Then RC is given here something. Kuch mean something. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, चलो फिल्म देखते हैं. फिल्म देखते हैं. Okay. So Rakshita, come here. Rakshita, first of all, we have to convert this sentence into English. Okay. So please tell me. At the first, we have to use let's. So I will use here. What happening here? Let's. Okay, Rakshita, then? RC? No, beta, RC is not given here. Just try to understand. Where is the RC is given? Beta, look at let's plus MB's first form, beta. MB's first form, beta. Look at properly. Let's plus MB's first form. Okay. So MB's first form means देखना. Is that clear? So let's see. Let's see. Then film. Film means object. Is that clear? So I will use here film. And you can say in another words movie, I think. Do you understand? Yes. It's very easy. Let's see film. Let's see movie. At the first we have to use chalo. It's mean let's. Then MB's first form. Then object. Object means RC. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another examples. Look it. Like चलो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं. चलो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं. So at the first we have to use let's. Very good. Okay. Then beta MB's first form. It's mean
English.
MB's first form is the English बोलना. Okay, so बोलना means speak. Do you understand? speak. Speak is the MB's first form. Then object means English.
English.
So I will use here English.
English.
Okay, like that. It's very easy. At the first you have to use let's. Then MB's
MB
first form.
first form.
MB always given at the back, at the last. So we used here speak.
Speak.
Then object is the English. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And guys, if you don't like to use let's at the first place, then you can replace and you can use we should. For example, चलो English बोलते हैं. It's mean at the first you have to use we should. We should. Okay. Then speak. Speak. Then English. Okay. Same sentence. Only replace you let's. Replace let's and use we should.
We should.
And then same to same. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We should speak English. चलो हम मैथ सीखते हैं. Let's learn math. We should learn math. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you use चलो ये करते हैं, चलो वो करते हैं, चलो डांस करते हैं, चलो पानी पीते हैं, चलो सोते हैं, चलो इंग्लिश सीखते हैं, चलो मैथ के सवाल सोल्व करते हैं, चलो कुछ काम करते हैं, चलो खाना बनाते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं. In that condition you can use we should replacing let's. So if you form the sentence, then at the first you have to use let's. Then MB's first form, then object. And if you don't like to use let's, then you can replace we should.
We should.
We should speak,
Speak English.
We should MB's first form, then object.
object.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So guys, I hope you have understood about this topic. And guys, if you like this topic, then you can share it at your social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.